I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and today we're looking at the budget gaming keyboard. This is the MKA2C, and it's full mechanical switches. Hot swappable. Okay, they give you 2 free switches. So why mechanical keyboard? Well, see, gamers, right? Their income basically is to do with playing games, and the keyboard, or keyboard and mouse, are the 2 main things that they need to use to control the game. So basically, they want the best thing money can buy. And well, mechanical keyboard is the best thing money can buy. Either it helps with performance, ergonomics, or fatigue. You see, with a mechanical keyboard, when you press the keys, when you press around halfway, it goes click. Whereas a normal membrane keyboard, you must press all the way down. Let's open and have a look. What's this? Okay, pull the tab. Hang on. There's some interesting things here. Yeah, you can pause the video and have a look. Okay, let's have a look. Open. Whoa. Okay, there you see. I bought this offline. See, you can buy stuff from Taobao, Lazada, all those non-brand mechanical keyboards, but the thing is, you can't trust the specifications because it's no brand, it's fake anyway. This brand, Armageddon, it's from Singapore. It's considered a local brand. That's why it's a lot less expensive than Razer, Corsair, and the other American brands. See, it's not cheap. It's like almost 100 ringgit. For a mechanical keyboard, it's quite budget and budget friendly and value, and it feels more or less the same. Of course, if it's your income, then don't spend 100 ringgit buying a keyboard. Spend, I don't know, 700 or 500 like a Razer keyboard. Okay, what do you have? You have 2 switches, and you have the switch removal tool. So the first one will remove the keycap, the part that you can see, the one with the ABC on it, and the second piece will remove the switch itself. So this is the switch itself. Normally on the keyboard, all the keys are attached to one membrane plate, whereas this one, can you hear? Where is it? Microphone. Zoom in. That's the switch. And you can see when you press it halfway, it goes click. So you don't have to press all the way down, just halfway. So basically you can remove all the switches in the keyboard. If not mistaken, the space bar has 2 switches inside. Let's unwrap this more. Comes with nice protection. I mean, it's good for something like 15 million clicks, but it's still nice to have protection, right? Ah, nice. Look at this keyboard. Oh yeah, and the sound. Woo! Where's the other one? Oh yeah. Now this is a keyboard. Ultimate gaming gear. Definitely ergonomic, and there's ways to control the backlighting. So it's like running around or always on or breathing. Okay, it's not completely RGB, means you can't change the colors, but so like what the color is what the color is. And you get a little instruction manual. Okay, backlight mode 1, snake shaped running horse. Mode 2 is a wave. Vertical row by row, horizontal line by line, learning transformation, cross lighting. I'll show you that in a while. Okay, well the back is in Malay, so only two bits. Okay, I'll show you the close-up shot. Hang on. Snake shaped running horse. Some media keys as well. No computer here, so I'll try power bank. Ah, okay. It's lighting up now. Okay, how do I get this? Back. Okay, power button plus numbers. Okay. Just 1 plus 1. What do we have? Snake shaped running horse. No. Mode 2. Mode 3. Huh? What's mode 3 do? Okay, it lights up when you press. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, mode 4. Oh, lights up slowly. I don't know, you figure this out yourself. Okay, mode 5 is static. No, mode 5 is breathing. Like, okay, different patterns. What's that, 7? No, 6. Okay, mode 6 I like. When you press, it lights up. Not so good for pressing passwords, but it's kind of funky. When you type, it lights up. What did I say, that was 6? Okay, let's try 8. 9. Function, sorry, light and 4 is the one that I like. When you press, it follows what you press. And number 5 is just always on, which is what I prefer. This is a pretty good keyboard. It's heavy, but not too heavy. No flex. Either it's got a metal plate or hard plastic. I think it's hard plastic. Put out of Singapore, made in China, of course. It's got this to add height, but we know with carpal tunnel, we don't add height to the back, we add height to the front. So basically these ones at the back add height this way. But what I do is I put maybe some coins or a pencil to make it higher this side. Because you type this way, not this way. I don't know lah, I mean, I find that most girls have more flexible hands, so they don't mind having at the back. I don't know. It's a pretty good keyboard. 50 million clicks, and they give you spare blue switches, which you could either keep them as spare, or you can like put on your table, or double-sided tape to your monitor to show off like, oh, look what I'm doing. Subscribe and buy Armageddon keyboards. Support local Malaysian, Singaporean.